This is Jonathan doing tummy time. Can you lift your head, Jonathan? Huh? Can you lift your head? Remember you just did it. You do it again? Huh? Come on, buddy. Can you lift your head? You almost got it. You almost got it. Good job, buddy. Come on. You can do it. He's trying to crawl. Look over here, buddy. Jonathan. Sometimes he gets frustrated. Hey, buddy. Hey. Hey. Ooh, there he goes. Can you do it again? Can you do it again? Ooh, there you go. Good job, buddy. Good job. Good job. There you go. Don't tip over. Okay, that's enough, buddy.